Horiba Scientific standard microscopic systems combine the visualization power of a standard microscope with spectroscopic analytical tools for an even more powerful micro and nano material characterization system. The SMS-PL system from Horiba Scientific adds photoluminescence spectroscopy to any standard microscope. This package characterizes varied materials such as quantum dots, photovoltaics, carbon nanotubes, and biological fluorophores. The SMS-PL system offers advanced functionality. By using reflective and transmittive optics, the SMS-PL system can cover a PL emission range from UV to far IR. LabSpec 6 provides a suite of advanced data collection and analysis tools on one easy-to-use interface.